Ben here, and today I'm going to be reviewing Graham Farish's Ivatt Class 2MT 260 tender engine, which I really like. The version I got was 46460 BR, lined black, early emblem, weathered for just £99. The 060s formed part of the backbone of low-powered locomotives within the LMS fleet. William Stanier had concentrated on introducing larger engines to locomotives. However, George Ivatt introduced a new class of low-powered locomotives, designed a tender version of the Ivatt Class 262 tank, introduced at the same time, which was inspired by the Stanier Class 3 262 tank, which again was inspired by the Fowler 262 tank. The 260's tender engines had greater range compared to all the other tank engines mentioned. With 3,000 gallons of water and 4,000 tons of coal, they were well suited to their task, and following attentions to problems by Derby and Swindon, they soon proved very useful and very utility, quickly became a success. Furthermore, engines of this type were built as the BR Standard Class 2 260 tender engines. These locomotives have BR standard fittings and a modified cab and tender profile to allow completely unrestricted route availability, and both LMS and BR2MT mobiles are nicknamed Mickey Mouses. This locomotive came in great packaging, and the packaging did a good job of not damaging the locomotive, as no detail is fallen off on the packaging, and it's kept it nice and secure as nothing else is broken, and it works very well. On the top of the cab there is plenty of detail with rivets and other detail. On the top of the boiler there is a whistle, which is made out of plastic, and what I think is a safety valve, dome, funnel and top boiler feed. On the sides of the boiler there is a lot of detail with separately fitted handrail, pipe and other detail, as well as lots of other detail on the running board as well. On the front of the model there is lots of details with smoke box start, handrails, number, shed code, lampines, air pipe and buffers. The cab has nice looking flush glazing, and the unprinted cab detail, it looks very good, but I don't like that it's unpainted though. The tender has a tender pickup and a thing that I can't remember the name of to pick up the water from the track, crossing the track, handrails, step ladder, rivets, builder's plate, lampines, air pipe, buffers and coal load. However, the coal load is quite shiny, and on my model the load, as you can see, has the edge sticking out, which I don't like. I don't know if that's only on my model. Black livery is good and well applied. The line, emblem, number and other printed detail is printed very well and looks good. The weathering is great and looks very realistic, and in my opinion adds even more detail and value to the locomotives and makes it look much more prototypical. The model runs very well and is quite large. The livery is well applied and has lots of detail, and the weathering is very well applied as well and makes it look very realistic and looks good. And in my opinion, for the £99 I paid for it, I would pay maybe up to £110 for everything that's included in the model, and even then I think that would still be pretty good value. So I think this is my best ever locomotive, and would definitely recommend this model to anybody who wants any locomotive, because they were BR standard and LMS locomotives with lots of route availability. This model will run on your layout very well. I hope you enjoyed this review of Graham Farish's Ivatt Class 2MT, and I hope you found this video informative or helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video by me. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below with some video ideas or feedback. Thank you for watching this video, and a quick note at the end of the video: this video is not sponsored by Graham Farish. Goodbye.